Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the tab names on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, when it comes to tabs, the only tab that you can change the name of is your homepage, and that is very easily done through your online store settings. Now, if you want to change the names of tabs in text fields, for example, if you're wanting to change them on product pages, that entirely depends on how you added those tabs in the first place. If you added them through a theme that already has them, you're gonna most likely have to go to the custom CSS files, where you'll need to create a CSS file which will change the appearance and the name of those tabs, or you're gonna have to locate the actual HTML where those tabs were added and then change the names from there. Now you can also change that from the themes that you're using, or if you've added them with custom HTML, you can change it like that. But as I've mentioned, I'm going to show you guys how you can change the tab name for the home page. Now, as I mentioned, you just need to go into your online store, and if you want to edit the code, you can go here, click on the three dots next to your theme, and click on edit code if you want to edit the other things that I've mentioned. But if you want to edit the page name, just go into preferences, and as you can see, you can only change the homepage title. For other pages, you cannot really change the tab name, but here you can set the homepage title to whatever you want, then click save, and that should be pretty much it. Now, that is pretty much all I know that you can do on Shopify as of this current moment, but it might be well, there might be the option to change it in the future, which I do not know at the current moment. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.